The Links button is the last button in the NavigateLA ribbon. It provides convenient access to various city applications and related websites with a single click. It's divided into 4 sections: NavigateLA and Open Data websites, GIS and Mapping Division websites, miscellaneous websites, and GIS data links, also known as map services. In this video, we'll explore some of these links. The rest you can explore at your own leisure. The NavigateLA User's Manual is a print version of the video tutorials you are now watching. It shows you how to use NavigateLA and contains a detailed table of contents. You can download, print, or share the manual as a PDF. The NavigateLA Map Gallery is a repository of city and related agency maps, including cadastral maps, council district maps, and sewer maps, among others. The majority are maintained by the Bureau of Engineering and come in PDF format, which you can download, print, or share. The City of Los Angeles has 2 sites dedicated to sharing real-time data: the Open Data Portal and the GeoHub. Both provide direct access to live and continuously updated data. The Open Data Portal is the city's repository for data. Here you can find publicly available raw data in various formats. The site was created to support the free flow of information and promote community engagement through data sharing. The GeoHub is a public platform that lets you explore and download location-based open data, also known as GIS data. It enables the creation of interactive mapping applications that allow city officials and the public at large to map datasets about health, safety, transportation, and other topics that inform local decision-making. It is a go-to place for downloading complete datasets of many of the layers within NavigateLA. The Public Way Reservation System Viewer, also known as the Powers Viewer, is a GIS web application that displays activity taking place in the public right-of-way as points on a map. It's a coordination and planning tool that aims to prevent scheduling conflicts and minimize street traffic caused by activity taking place on public streets. There's a dedicated video for this application that you can view to become more familiar with it. The PWRS Geocoder allows agencies to input their activity into the Public Way Reservation System, which tracks activity taking place in the public right-of-way. You must be a participating agency that has an account in order to log in. Once logged in, you'll be able to access a video tutorial that will show you how to input your activity. ZIMAS, also known as the Zoning Information and Map Access System, is a mapping application that provides zoning-related information for specific properties in the city of Los Angeles. You can search a parcel by address, legal description, street intersection, or assessor's parcel number. It offers a variety of options for accessing and displaying property-specific information, including property lines, zoning, land use, assessed land value, and case numbers. GIS data links contains links to the web map services of municipalities neighboring the city of Los Angeles. A map service is an established web mapping protocol that makes map layers available for immediate use. The data is made available by the municipality and is produced by a map server. You can click on a map service link to automatically import layers into NavigateLA. The newly added layers will appear at the top of the table of contents, where you can toggle them on or off. Now that we've covered some of the more popular links, feel free to explore the rest on your own. Lastly, if you're using the internal version of NavigateLA, you will have access to additional links for applications not covered in this video, so make sure to explore those as well. We hope this video was helpful and informative. If you'd like to submit a comment or question or report a problem, feel free to contact us at the email shown on the screen, eng.navisupt@lacity.org. Thanks for watching.